Hey everybody, thanks so much for checking out the video. I did this video a couple of days ago, but I got a overwhelming response, texts, calls, messages, people stopping me when they see me out, inquiring about the loan. I do know I gave out a lot of information, okay, and I tried to cram it all in one session. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to break it down. Last time I gave about maybe 5 or 6 avenues where you could get cash. I'm only going today to focus on the $1,000 loan part. I know you guys are not going to be disappointed because that's what everybody was wanting. So let's go ahead and get into it. So today I'm going to show you how to get up to $1,000. Kid you not, no joke, no lying, with no credit check, no hard pull on the credit. Kid you not. I've done it. So you're talking to somebody who's done it already. I'm going to show you my account so that you can kind of see how it works. So let's get into it. So this is for you. I'm doing this. Let me tell you why I'm doing this, guys, to pretty much. So I've come across things often because this is kind of what I do, where I'll come across things that will save me time or save me money. Or make me more money. So I'm going to share this knowledge. I don't think it's good when you keep certain things to yourself. So all I ask in return for sharing the information is that you share it with somebody else. That's all I'm asking. So this video is going to be for you if you have bad credit. So if you can't walk into the bank and say, hey, I need $1,000 loan. And they're like, okay, no problem. This is for you. If you need some startup money, if you're a small business owner and you need to kind of invest in some product, this can help you out. If you need to pay off some bills, if you need to get your car note cut up, whatever it is, if you're looking to invest, take this money and flip it, try to make a little bit of money on the stock market, it's for you. Now, the best part about this is if any of those situations apply to you, you're probably looking to build your credit. And that's what I love about what I'm about to tell you is it helps your credit. I'm telling you, I can't say this enough. So, let me show you how to get the money, okay? You can get up to $1,000 in under 10 minutes. And this is I can't wait to show you this, guys, because it's not a it's not a joke. I kid you not. And you can get up to 12 months to pay it back. So I'll explain all that here in a few moments. And again, the key thing is you're going to boost your credit while doing it. All right, so enough with the small talk. Let's go ahead and get to the money. Um, but I will say, guys, follow the instructions because that's going to help you, okay? It's going to help you. So, step one, you see this logo here, Money Lion, okay? So step one, this step must be done because all the other steps will fail if you don't do step one. Step one is you have to go to this link. It's bit.ly/ money lion card. Now it does not matter. Those are caps or not. You do lowercase if you want. The link will also be in the um, information, the video bio there. So once you're looking at this video, just click that drop down arrow. You should see the links there. All the links that are in the video, they'll be there so that you can just click on them. So if you don't want to type it, no problem. All right. So let's get into it, guys. So Money Lion. Let me tell you about Money Lion. I have to do this. I would be remiss. I'm telling you guys, if you were on my live, you heard me say, I swear by this. This is a good program. I literally stumbled on it. One day, I was looking around for an account, like another checking account, just not with a traditional bank, something a little bit more trendy, up to date, something like that. That's what I was kind of looking for, and I stumbled on it, and I had no idea until I clicked on that link, like I just told you guys to do, and the card got to me. So let me explain. And again, guys, sorry, I have a little bit of sinus going on, so you might hear me sipping a little tea, but just bear with me. So, Money Lion, they will give you a $500 loan with little to no questions asked. Now, I'm not kidding, I'm not joking. This is serious business, and I mean serious business. So, you just want to click on that link. You'll see it in the video a couple times here, and you want to sign up for basically their checking account or that card I was talking about. Okay, that's step number one. So you're going to click on that link, you're going to input your name, all that information there, and they're going to send you a card. So for those of you that kind of want to do it while I'm going through it, no problem. I'll kind of pause and give you just a little bit of time to get that done. All right. I'll give you an opportunity to sip a little bit of tea here. Okay. So by now you should have clicked on the link or typed it in, putting in your name, your information, so that you go ahead and get that card, right? All right. So that's the main part. Get the card, because the card, once you have a card, that opens up everything else. All right. So when the card comes, then you're going to activate it. And then that's when we're going to get to the loan part. Okay. So, how does this work? How does this work? So, Money Lion will give you a $500 loan. And I told you I stumbled on this because I was just looking for something trendy. I was looking for like another account that was just like modern, up to my speed, things that I needed in a checking account and not a traditional bank. But lo and behold, when I got that card, so I got the card and then um, I started, once I got the card, I activated it. And the next thing I know, once it was activated, it offered me a $500 loan. And I'm like, oh man, please, they're not going to give me this $500. I was like, but me being me, I clicked on it. And sure enough, they gave me $500. And when I tell you that money was available to me in less than 5 minutes, it was more like 2 minutes. I have $500. The next thing I know, I was headed to the ATM to pull it all pull it all out, right? Because I needed to make some moves with that. So I am not joking, y'all. I'm really serious. This is legit. Um, so all you need is a checking account. Guys, I went back because a lot of you were telling me you did not have a checking account. You had prepaid cards, you had a savings account. So I did do the research. I reached out to Money Lion. I went and did a little bit of digging. You need a checking account. If you don't have a checking account, write me. I'll send you a link, to get you a checking account. If you're in check systems, you have bad credit, I know banks that will give you a second chance. So I can give you that information. All right. So the first step, you got to order that card, which I hope you guys have already done. So again, do not skip this step, because if you don't do it, then there's no loan. All right. But it's actually, the card is a good thing, and I'm going to show you why in just a few minutes. So it's only 5.99 APR. They report to all three credit bureaus, and you also get some bonuses. You get the checking account, free checking account, investment account, and cash advance. But I'll tell you all about that stuff here in a second. So let's go ahead and go over the benefits of the card. Um, First and foremost, the $500 loan, right? Because when you can't get a loan, nobody loans money anymore. Like, you have to give up something to get a loan unless you have perfect credit, some type of collateral, right? Or they charge you like an exuberant amount of interest, 25. I've even seen like 103% on some kind of on some stuff. So it's just crazy. So they give you the $500 loan. They give you a checking account. They give you cash back on purchases. I didn't even know. I was looking at my account the other day, and I'm like, wait a minute. I had like all this cash back, and I'll show you guys that. But I don't really use. Now, here's the good thing about Money Lion. You see that card? That's how the card looks. But I don't even really use the Money Lion checking account. And they're okay with that. They're okay with that. I just wanted the loan, and I don't use it. I don't put any direct deposit in there or anything like that. So it's not a scheme to get you to use the card, because I don't use it. Like, literally, the only time I use it is when I'm putting, well, we'll get to that later when I use the card. Well, actually, here it is. So that's the next thing I'm going to talk about. So you get up to $250 cash advance with no interest. So that's pretty sweet. So say you get a flat tire and you're like, oh, I need to buy a new tire. MoneyLion, in addition to that $500 loan, they will give you a no interest cash advance. Basically, they'll give you the 250, and then they're just going to want it back on your next pay. Now, you don't have to do that. It's not a requirement. These are just features and bonuses that they have associated with the card. But again, I don't use the card, so I can't really get the up to 250 cash advance because I don't have any direct deposit going into there. But the sweet thing is they did offer me a little bit, and I'll show you that in a little bit there. Um, so the final thing I want to talk about with this card is once this loan is repaid, you get to walk away with an investment account. Literally, once you pay off the loan, you walk away with an extra almost $500 in a separate investment account. And I'm going to show you all this, guys. So I'm really pushing MoneyLion because I like it. I still have it. I'll even show you guys my account. It is crazy the way I stumbled upon this, and it's like a little known secret. So it is, before I even did it, I kind of read up on the reviews, but now that I've done it myself, I'm like, they're really good. And I think once I pay it off, I'm going to do it again to keep, that good credit history flowing. All right. So I did it in March of this year. So again, the checking is free. If you need a cash advance, you can do that, which that's up to you. I don't do it, but if you wanted to, you can. And you do get your money when they say in seconds, you really do get the money in seconds. And the good thing is there's no credit check. No credit check. They do have a loyalty rewards program, cash back, all of that stuff. But let's talk about the loan because I know that's important to some people. When you take a loan, you want to know what you're going to be looking at, right? So the payments are going to be based on your pay schedule, right? So roughly your payments each month are going to be about $67 a month, right? So you're probably saying, whoa, $67 a month? That's a lot of money. But hold up, hold on, listen. Of that 67, about 25 to 30 of that goes into your own personal investment account. Remember, I was telling you that's why I love MoneyLion. So the payment is a little bit more each month, right? But that goes into literally your own personal investment account. And when I say investment, basically MoneyLion takes it, they put it in an account, and you start to earn interest on that account. And in it's positive cash flow, right? So when you pay off your last payment, you take the money that's in the investment account. I, I've never had a card like this. That is it's really sweet. So to sweeten the deal, like I said, MoneyLion, they report to your credit monthly. All right. So let me show you my account. All right. This is mine. I took a little screenshot out of the app of my account. So as you can see, my loan was $500. I told you I got the account in March. It's scheduled to be paid off March 13th. Now, the good thing is you can pay it off early if you want to, right? You're more than welcome to do that. And then it has your payment information, when your next payment is due. Now, again, it goes according to your pay schedule, okay? So here is some more information on my loan. They're very detailed. It says I'm 66% through the loan. My next payment, my payoff amount. So I don't have much left to pay. I can pay that off, if I wanted to. But let's go to, remember I was talking about the cash advance, right? So because I don't have direct deposit, they're only offering me 25 bucks. They're saying, okay, we'll trust you with 25 bucks. No problem. But I don't need it, so I'm not going to take the cash advance. The good thing is you see right underneath of there, you get other loan offers. So MoneyLion, I'm telling you guys, this is a really, really good card to have. I think it's got to be like the only one of its kind. I promise you. So, remember I was talking about the cash back. So I used my card because I'll tell you why in a second. I used my card a couple times and I got some cash back. So I'm always with cash back. I love to get money back, right? So, um, that is basically MoneyLion, right? So I promise I show you how to get up to $1,000. We now know how to get 500. If I could say anything, guys, if you don't do anything else on this video, get your MoneyLion card. I am not kidding you. It has so many benefits, as you can see. Um, it has a lot of benefits, guys, and it is legit. I can honestly say I have not had any issues with them. So everything on my end is in the green, which is great. That means it's reporting good to the credit. And it even has credit monitoring. I didn't put that in there, but they even monitor your credit. They'll tell you what you need to do to kind of get it up, how many points it went up, or if it went down. All of that stuff is in there. So I don't want to spend too much time on that because I really want to get you guys the rest of the money. So we found 500 for you. You know all you need is either a cell phone or a laptop, tablet, whatever you have. Click on that link, and then you need a checking account. If you don't have one, again, let me know. Okay. So step 2, let's get you the rest of this $1,000. All right. Get you some of those $100 bills. So the next thing, here's another link. So you can either type it, click it. It's in the link in the bios. bit.ly/possible loan. Don't worry about the caps if you don't want to. So possible finance. I stumbled upon this. I stumbled upon a lot of things, guys. So possible finance will give you up to $500. Yes, they will. So 5 for Money Lion and 5 from Possible will get you up to $1,000. I told you. All you have to do is, drum roll, click on that link, bit.ly/possible loan. It is possible with Possible. All right, guys. So let's go ahead. So how does it work? How does it work? So the first thing is you're going to click on that link, right? So with Possible, it's a little bit different. There's no, they don't send you a card because it's an actual loan. And you're going to apply for the loan. So you're going to enter in your name. There's no hard credit check. Again, guys, all this information, no hard credit check. But guess what? It helps your credit. Is that not crazy or what? So you're going to apply for the loan. Okay. Now, Possible is a little bit different because Moneyline, where they're not really looking at a lot of stuff, Possible, they're not, really hard on you. However, they do want you to have a bank account. So, guys, again, if you don't have a bank account, get one. If you have a prepaid card, stop it because prepaid cards, they charge you a monthly fee to have that card, unless you have like a certain amount coming in. I used to do it and I had to stop because I'm like, I'm wasting, $120, $150 a year paying fees for the daggone prepaid card. Okay. So, click on the link. You're going to apply for the loan, put in all your information, and Possible will say, hey, congrats, you're approved. Now, they'll approve you for up to 500. So that means you can be approved for 300, you can be approved for 350, you can be approved for 500. But the thing is, it's no credit check. It doesn't hurt you. It can only help you. It's easy, right? All you need again is a checking account and a computer or a cell phone. Really easy. Just click on the link and apply. It doesn't hurt to apply because it's no hard credit check. Now, here's the difference with Possible. Now, I told you Money Lion, you get a whole year to pay off the loan, okay? So Possible is a tad bit different because they give you more of a different type of term. Okay, it's not as long. However, you can rinse and repeat. You can do it again. Okay, so with Possible, you go through their steps. But the good thing about Possible is they're going to, when you apply, they are going to base it off of however much you're approved for, okay? Which a lot of people that I've sent over, they did get the full 500, okay? Now, they're going to take it off based on your pay schedule. So if you're paid every week, then your payment is going to vary on your term and everything and the length and everything because they do give you a couple of options to choose on how you want to pay it back, okay? So, they also, this is what I loved about Possible when I got the loan. They give you, so say something happens, you get paid and you're like, you know what? Man, I really need to make this payment at a later date. They will allow you to move the payments around up to 45 days without affecting your credit. Let me say that again. They will give you up to 45 days to push that payment elsewhere without affecting your credit. So the good thing is you get this loan, but you also you also get to push payments back if you just can't do it right then and there. So I want to say Possible gives you about depending upon which plan you pick to for the repayment, you can have like 5 or 6 payments to pay it back. Okay. And I don't know if I mentioned this again, guys, it helps your credit, boost your credit. Okay. So, again, I really thank you guys for watching it. Feel free to repeat and repeat possible and money lion once you complete it. You can do it over again and keep boosting your credit score. It's a great way to build credit, get caught up on your bills, or start a new endeavor. So I'm going to go back to those links, guys. Impossible is very, very easy. It doesn't take long to do either one of these. It is super simple, I promise you. But guys, if I had to highlight one today, you already know what I'm going to say. I can't. I'm scrolling back through here. Money Lion, guys. If you don't do anything else on this video, I'm telling you, get that Money Lion card. I cannot say it enough. You have to get this card. It has helped me in so many ways. And you get to build your credit. You get that investment account is just golden. Literally, it is golden, right? So do me a favor, guys. Share, 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 share for anybody. I know what season it is, guys. Do me a favor. I said it. I said it before. Do not take the money and stand in the Black Friday line, guys. Use it to start a business. If you have a business, launch your business, get you some product, take the money, make more money, because we want to be in a better place financially, right? Especially headed into the new year. Let's go ahead and do that. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments below. I will try to get to them as much as possible, but please share. Um, Give me a like or something, please, 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 because I plan on doing this a lot more, sharing, information as I come across it to help people out. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I really let me know when you guys get approved. Okay, take care.